things from the school, but she's not eating even what kind of food. She's eating only one piece, like 1/3, 1/4. Very dark this place. It's like scary. Like before when I was new here, I'm scared with the dark. Like I can see the walk.
You said Jinn never existed. You said
Rima. Okay, if you are not sleeping now,
why
the
are you
walk.
pointing there? There's nothing walk. This is nothing. Nothing. My head.
Yeah.
My head.
Oh, what is that?
It's
A dog. Usa.
pusa.
The penguin. Which penguin? What penguin? Like cold one or hot one? The
Cold.
penguin can fly or can swim?
Swim.
Can fly.
No, I can swim.
I thought you said yes. I thought you said yes. Yes, sure. Starbucks in Algeciras. Starbucks. Somebody okay. I've also kunuos. Kunuos. Oh my god. Now we are here already in the door. What's that? Buying with that. Here, Habaloya. And here the baskets.
Investigating all the world.
The Algeciras. All the world. And now here is the entrance. Why? Fruit stand. We take a basket. One for him, one for me. Here is the place of basket. And Mary, before they are buying 1 kilo is 35. The turkey chestnut 95. How much? Chestnut 35. Mary said this is 100. This is chestnut. Yeah. This is sweet potato. And this is a corn. Before Mary is buying. And this is orange.
Yeah, today we ate.
Yella, where we go?
Oh my god, penguin.
What penguin? This is pineapple. Pineapple. You don't know?
I said penguin.
You don't know what is penguin, I think. How much this one? Orange. Lemon. The lemon. And here's the banana. It's different pag tuwing pumupunta ko dito, yan ang mga napkin, lotion, soap, sabon na 1 kilo lang dito. Mga ito. Then, what is that? Ano to? Ano ba to? Biscuit. And biscuit. Ringo. Ayan, dito yung favorite ni Rima na mga patatas na favorite nila amo. Yan yung yung mga barat para sa mga pag niluluto. Tapos, nag-sale sila. 10 real. Magkuha ako ng ng Skyflix. Pag minsan sa gabi. Si Rima, magkano ang Skyflix? 9 real. Ayan. Hanap ako ng digestive. Mahirap lamang kahit ako'y mahirap lamang. Puso ko ay baka maano ako. Baka ma-copyright tayo. Hindi naman yata Tapat umibig. Bakit kaya 8 real ang 1 box ng digestive. Yan kasi ang lagi namin binibili, digestive. Ano kayo pakain ko kaya? Si Rima kasi, hindi na siya na sa biskwit. Ayan, Nutella. Ito kukuha ko dito. Bibili kami ng pambaon niya sa school. Minsan, ayan, 1, 2, 3 lang kasi may iba pa siya doong 3 lang. Tatlo lang ang bilhin natin. Bibili kami mga lalabs ng kanyang baon sa school. Saan pa yun? Yan, minsan kumukuha siya niyan pero hindi ko na siya kukuhaan kasi kumuha na ako ng maliliit. Biscuit. Gusto niya din ang Skyflex. Yung biscuit dito. Sila. Yan. Ay, mga sugar pala yung dito sa kabila. Yan yung marshmallow. Dito pa yung ibang biscuit. Ayan o. Kuhaan ko ba siya nito? Yung siya. Minsan ang dadala sa school pero maliliit lang. Ito siya. Strawberry. ₱10. 1. But we wait. Bakit kaya? Kuhaan ko ba siya niya? Mga chocolates. Wala na yan dito. Punta ko doon sa tingnan ako dito ng wala na kaming ito sa ₱7. Kano yung dito? ₱9. Magkano yan? 57 pala yan. 11. Ano yan? Ano to? ₱11. 25 dati. Baby shampoo. Hindi pa pwede kasi. Ay, mga pang-baby, oh. Shampoo for 10. Air conditioner. Anti-dandruff. Ito shampoo, anti-dandruff. Yung sabon nag-sale siya 7.20. serve. Sanita. Sanita. 15, 20, 30. Balik na natin siya. Huh? Wow. Balik natin isa lang. Eleven Purcell. Okay. It's done. Ito na kami namili ng baon ni Rima bukas. Have a school tomorrow. See all my friends there tomorrow where I see again their smile, their naughtiness jokes. Always joking to me, madam. If I'm the one coming, they are telling to me, oh my god, Sura, sit down because madam is coming. Like that. And then I'm just only look, I will box you. I said like that. Because the one like that eyes, with very small eyes, she said, sit down, madam is coming. Like that. Tomorrow I can see their smile again.
I'd laugh.
Yeah. Too much laughing, and then Dabaya said, Dabaya? What is the name? Daya, ano? Dabaya?
Huh?
She said, the one is sitting there in the corner. What is the name? Dabaya? What is the name?
Fabia.
Dabia, eh. She make like that. Mara, ano, like, they are very noisy like that. We are already in our house, mga loves.